Cherera or Commissioner Masik mentioned that when the security team came, at that point there were no results yet, because there had been an attempt to taint the name of a very distinguished professional career soldier, General Francis Ogola. I think my colleague Omar has referred to that. Thank God, due to the Tonje rules, he is now the CDF. I am happy that you have mentioned that when that team came, they did not come to threaten anyone or to change the results or to overturn. I think for the record it is important, because that was something that went towards tainting a distinguished career of a career soldier of our country. The second issue is the issue of whether you, the commissioners, tallied these results or not. I think listening to the four of you, you have said you did not. We were hoping Chebukati will be here, the chair, and he has denied the country the opportunity to hear both sides of the story in a very arrogant manner. We'll be dealing with that matter shortly. The tone of his letter, the arrogance, is something we will deal with. And I think I would say high-handedness with which you are talking about. And you're not the first commissioners he has differed with. He differed with Commissioner Akombe, differed with the other three commissioners in 2017, with the four of you, with Chiloba. It cannot be that the four commissioners, three commissioners, Commissioner Akombe, Chiloba are all wrong, and only one man called Chebukati is right. There must be something about his personality which goes to the root of the problem, because Article 138 is very clear, and the matter came up before the Supreme Court. Looking at the ruling, particularly clause 48 of that ruling, the chairperson had submitted that the issue of verifying and tallying was his exclusive authority. The Supreme Court differed with him. In the paragraph 49, they were very categorical, and if I may read that, we find that the chairperson cannot arrogate to himself the power to verify and to tally the results of the presidential election.